16 screens, baby. All done by Steph. All done by Stefan, bruh. All day. I'm telling you, man, if you're trying to get at me, nigga, let me know.
Holy water with just sprinkle me.
Holy water with just sprinkle me. Holy water, you just sprinkle me.
This is what I do, baby.
Is that the way you do it, man?
Oh yeah, you seen them 15-inch screens?
Y'all finish push with me?
I'm at this.
Smile City V-Town.
Look at that, 12-inch risers, flip out. All these mark-ass niggas, they think they doing it. They ain't doing it. Plus with a backup camera. I installed. This all me. All me right here. And a 2004 Suburban, 1500. Holla at me.
I'm really not all that sure about when things are spinning mature, so let me buy you a second with a grip.